Hello everyone and welcome to another episode by CDBTC. I'd like to begin by thanking everyone who subscribes to my channel. Uh, I hope you're enjoying my videos. Today's video will be a tutorial on how to set up a wallet to stake coins on it's usually called a virtual private server, but in this case it's a virtual desktop which functions the same. Basically, it's like having your own Windows computer on the cloud, and you can access it from anywhere. Two benefits to this are: one, it's never affected by power outages. It can be on 24/7. And the second one, and which is very important to me, is you have access to your wallet from anywhere at any time. So if you have to move your coins to or from an exchange, you can do it from anywhere easily. If you have the wallet on your computer at home, it's going to be tougher to do that. Basically, you're going to have to be there, but not with this. There are apps that you can install on your phone to control it, and I won't get into that, but right now the tutorial is how to set up this virtual desktop. In my case, I will be using Amazon Web Services. They give you access to one desktop free for 1 year, and first you just have to sign up to Amazon Web Services. The process is very easy. They will ask you for a credit card as a guarantee, but they are not going to charge it. They will call you up or send you an SMS in order to register to the system. You have to input the code they give you, and then you'll be on. It usually takes about from a few hours to a day for them to set up your dashboard. But once you're set up, it's very easy to do. So what you're gonna do is look for the EC2 service, and you're gonna have to click on the EC2 service. You can go through this process, launch a virtual machine. Just make sure you choose the EC2. But I'm gonna go through here. I think it's easier. This is my console, and I have one running instance. This is the desktop that's running my GOKU wallet, and I'm going to create a new one. So I'm gonna hit launch instance. You get the options here on what platform you want to use. I'm choosing the Microsoft Windows Server base. I'm gonna select it. It's the free tier, so I'm not gonna change anything here. I'm just gonna hit review and launch. And launch. You're gonna have to create a key pair. This is your password, the password that's gonna be associated to your desktop. So I will be creating a new pair, and I'm gonna choose wallet tutorial, and I'm gonna download this key pair. It's downloaded here, and now I'm gonna launch the instance. Okay, it says your instances are launching, and I'm gonna get notified of estimated charges. If this is your first one, there's not gonna be a charge. It's gonna be free. So I'm just gonna hit this. Let's see, services. Okay, so EC2. It says I have 2 running instances, and I'm just gonna give it a name, wallet tutorial. Check. It's still initializing. You have to wait about 4 minutes before you can get on it. So while that happens, I will go into my current desktop and show you what that looks like. I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna look for my GOKU. Okay, this is it. And see, this is my desktop on the Amazon Web Services. This is my GOKU wallet. This is where I am staking, and it's working very good. I just received stake a few hours back, about 2 hours ago. 12,388 GOKU coins. So that's going very, very good. I'm really digging this coin. I'm enjoying it a lot. Okay, so let's see if we can connect. So we choose our server and we hit on connect. We have to download the remote desktop file. That's what I just hit in order to log into my server. We are gonna have to get the password. Okay, so the password is not yet available. Let's wait a couple of more minutes. While we do with that, I want to talk about GOKU coin and how you should sell it. If you're gonna sell your stakes and you come into Nova, please do not hit on these orders and sell, because you're lowering the price. The people who want to come into GOKU, they want the product. So when someone wants the product, you make them come to you. You don't go to them. They have to come to you. So put your sell order here and choose the first or the second one to just let them bring the price up. Let them come to you. Don't drop the price. Let's bring the price up. See, this guy is doing it all wrong. Dropping the price. This one is doing it right. 560. See, people were willing to pay 560. 560 here. Don't drop it. Just let them come up here. Be patient. You will sell them. That's what I do. I don't sell down here. That's just destroying value. We don't want to destroy value. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's try to connect. Wallet tutorial. So we have to get the password. So we're gonna have to find our key pair. That's the one we created earlier, and it's encrypted, so we have to hit the decrypt password, and this is it. So you just copy it and you close it, and we're gonna go in here. This is the way we're gonna connect. Don't ask me again. I want to connect. It asks for the password. I put it in there. I asked it to remember me. And yes, don't ask me again for connections from this computer. I want to connect. See, and it's connecting. So since this is a new setup, it's as if you were installing Windows for the first time. So you're gonna see that it's running the process. It's very fast. Don't worry, we're not gonna be here for hours. So it's getting set up. When it first starts, Internet Explorer is configured to a super high security. I don't like it. I don't enjoy it. So I avoid using it. So the first thing I do is install Google Chrome. I say no. I install Google Chrome, and I get that way. I avoid all the nagging from that I get from Internet Explorer. Okay, so open Internet Explorer, and so you don't have to suffer. Don't use them, please don't use them, but it doesn't care. So Chrome, www.google.com. Just type that in, don't search, because the pain will start if you do that. Okay, so see, pain. Don't show this warning. And I have to add, close, add, close. It's just warnings about security. Add, close, add, close. Download Chrome. This happens every time, so this, you're gonna have to go through this. Add, and that's why I use Chrome, so I don't have to go through this pain during every page. See, add, close, add. This is the last one, I promise. Oh man, there, that's the last one. Hit back. Now hit download Chrome, accept. Yes, I want to save it. It's downloading. It's super fast. I'm gonna run it, and I'm gonna close this one. Get rid of the Explorer. Don't use it. It's installing. Man, I love how technology has advanced. Okay, so we have our Google Chrome installed. So now we're gonna have to go get our GOKU wallet. And the GOKU wallet can be downloaded from this place. So I'm gonna copy the link. I'm gonna go back into my platform, the virtual desktop, hit it, paste it. This is the place. So we hit download, and it's downloading super fast. Decrypting and completed. And show in folder. I'm gonna close the Chrome, hit on this, run it, and that's it. Your GOKU wallet is installed. You're just gonna have to wait for it to update. See, it's downloading the blocks. It says it's catching up, and it's downloaded 500 out of 24,289 blocks. So this might take I don't know, 10-15 minutes. It's usually very fast. This is where you're gonna be able to see your staking. I'm not staking because my wallet is syncing, and this is where you can see how many connections you have. Let's see. Connections. 3 active connections as of now. So once you have this installed, what you're gonna do, and this has completed downloading, what you're gonna do is basically receive coins. You're gonna choose this address, and you're gonna use this address in your exchange to when you withdraw coins, you withdraw them to this address, and you're gonna get them here. So they're gonna show up in here. It's gonna show up as a transaction, and you will have your GOKU coins in here. Your total, how much is taking, how many are unconfirmed, and the spendable. This is a newer wallet than the one I have, from what I'm seeing, but mine is working great, so I'm not gonna change it for now. And guys, that's it. It's super easy. If you close this, it doesn't shut down your virtual desktop. It's still open. It just cut off your connection to it, but that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to subscribe. That's it. Everyone have a good night.